Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a close look at an essential accessory that often gets overlooked, but is absolutely crucial for keeping our devices powered and running smoothly. The GizMac AC power cord, specifically designed for the DUKANE 220C document camera digital visual presenter, but with a versatility that extends far beyond. This isn't just any power cord. It's a robust and reliable solution for anyone needing a dependable power source. The first thing one notices is its solid build quality, presented in a sleek black color that blends seamlessly into any setup. With an item length of 60 inches, or about 1.5 meters, it offers a good reach, providing flexibility in how and where devices are positioned without being excessively long or cumbersome. One of the standout features of this GizMac power cord is its wide compatibility. While it's a perfect fit for the DUKANE 220C, its design allows it to power a broad spectrum of electronic devices. Think about your home office or entertainment center. Computers, printers, monitors, and various audio equipment can all benefit from this single, versatile cord. This means less clutter and the convenience of having a go-to replacement or spare for multiple gadgets. Safety is paramount when it comes to electrical accessories, and this power cord truly delivers. It incorporates essential safety features like overload and short-circuit protection. This isn't just a marketing phrase. It's a critical design element that provides comprehensive safety for your valuable devices. It means that in the event of an unexpected power surge or an electrical fault, the cord is designed to protect your equipment from potential damage, offering significant peace of mind. Furthermore, the fact that it is UL listed speaks volumes about its adherence to rigorous safety standards, ensuring it meets nationally recognized safety requirements. In terms of power specifications, the cord is rated for a maximum voltage and current of 120V15A, with a total rated power below 1800 W. This makes it perfectly suitable for the vast majority of consumer electronics and office equipment, ensuring a stable and consistent power supply without concerns of overloading for typical applications. The charging function, mentioned in its features, refers to its ability to supply power to devices that require AC input for operation and charging. For instance, if your laptop or document camera charges via its AC adapter, this cord provides the necessary link to the wall outlet, enabling that charging process efficiently and safely. It's a plug-and-play design, making installation incredibly quick and easy. There's no complicated setup. Simply connect it to your device and a power outlet, and you're good to go. In essence, the GizMac AC power cord for the DUKANE 220C and other compatible devices is more than just a cable. It's a reliable, safe, and highly versatile power solution that simplifies your setup and protects your electronics. Its robust construction, comprehensive safety features, and broad compatibility make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade or replace their existing power cords.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.